Look at the bill in your pocket. What is it really? Just ink, cotton, and paper, right? But have you ever wondered why this specific piece of paper controls the price of everything you buy? From the oil in Saudi Arabia to the microchips in Taiwan, the US dollar is the ultimate boss. But how did a simple currency become a global superpower? And more importantly, is that power finally slipping away? Today, we're uncovering the hidden mechanics of the dollar empire. The story begins in 1944. While the rest of the world was in ruins after World War II, America's vaults were overflowing with gold. 44 nations met at Bretton Woods to create a new system. The deal was simple. Every currency would be linked to the dollar, and the dollar would be backed by gold. But here's a question for you. What happens when the world stops trusting that the gold is actually there? By 1971, that's exactly what happened. In a shocking move known as the Nixon Shock, the US officially cut the tie between the dollar and gold. Suddenly, your money was backed by nothing but faith. Now ask yourself, how did the dollar survive without gold? The answer is the Petrodollar. America struck a deal with Saudi Arabia. We protect your kingdom and you sell your oil only in US dollars. Since every country needs oil, now every country needed dollars. Brilliant, isn't it? This system gives the US a superpower advantage. When America prints money, it doesn't just cause inflation at home. It exports that inflation to the rest of the world. Think about this. Why should a decision made in Washington, D.C. determine the price of bread in your city? This hidden tax is why many nations are now getting angry. Today, countries like China, Russia, and Brazil are trying to break free. They want to trade in their own currencies. Is the reign of the king dollar finally coming to an end? Or is it too big to fail? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to understand the forces shaping your future, subscribe to Finstory. Thanks for watching.